Hey everyone, today we'll be touring a townhouse we just sold in Laguna Niguel. Now this is at 29466 Christiana Way. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. The thing I love about this is, well, there's a lot of features I like about it actually, but one of the things is the peekaboo ocean views. We're gonna take you on a tour. Let's take a look. So like I said, there's so many things I love about this townhouse, beginning with the entryway. The thing I love, look at that dining area. There's plenty of room there, but I also really love the open, light, and bright ceilings. And check this out, look how big that couch is. There's plenty of room for a lot of furniture, and we're gonna walk right outside. Now, rarely do you find a townhouse or a condo that has a backyard that honestly feels like it's a single family home backyard. It's big, they have the barbecue. I myself would have a fire pit out there around the furniture, but check this out, wait for it. It's a little bit of a cloudy day today, but there are definitely peekaboo ocean views. That is just priceless here in Orange County, especially when buying a townhouse, of course. Now, walking back in, you'll see how open and bright. Oh, don't miss that fireplace. One of my favorite things in a townhouse is having a fireplace. But my absolute favorite is the bench seating. I mean, I could just see grabbing a book and a cup of tea or a glass of wine and sitting here and relaxing after, helping all of our clients. And I love the fact that the kitchen is open to the, of course, the living area. It has nice appliances. Once again, there's the countertop area, and it leads right into the living or the entryway, and we're going to go up the staircase. Now, check out these floors. It's the luxury vinyl flooring, and it just makes everything look, modern and put together. But here's a big bonus. Now, this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, but it has this loft. Now, the thing I love about a loft is you're not really paying for a 3-bedroom price tag, but it feels like it because you have a place where you can sit and work during the day or whatever it might be. Really, such a bonus having that loft. Now, check out the size of this master bedroom. It's huge. That's a king-size bed, I might add, and there's still plenty of room for dressers, and of course, everyone likes a little TV. But look out here too. In addition to the downstairs patio, there's an upstairs balcony, and look at these views. Oh my gosh, this is so incredible. Now keep in mind, Laguna Niguel is only about 4 miles from the beach, so that's cool. And we're going to step right into this master bathroom area. Of course, it's light and bright. There's a lot of room in the closets for the square footage of this unit. And then I love the fact that it has, of course, 2 sinks. We would expect that. And then it does have a soaker tub, which is kind of nice. And of course, the shower over the tub itself. But overall, it feels very resort and spa-like in this primary bedroom suite. I love that. Now, the other big benefit to this unit is each bedroom is an ensuite bedroom. So the second bedroom, of course, has its own bathroom. So that's another big deal. Everything is neat and tidy, but once again, there's plantation shutters throughout. I don't know if you've caught those though. And ending our tour in the loft area, it just reminds me once again, I really love an open floor plan. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining us on this fun home tour. Once again, if there's anything we can do to help make your real estate dreams a reality, Dylan and I are always happy to serve you. Give us a call at 949-478-0139, or if you prefer to call Dylan, his number is 408-318-1197. See you soon.